Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. Get ready, students. English grammar class. Okay? So open your English grammar book. Students, in the previous class, in the previous English grammar class, which chapter we already completed? Who can tell me first? The last chapter we did in our last grammar class. Who can tell me? Okay. We already completed simple present tense, right? Chapter number 15. Then present continuous tense, isn't it? Then present perfect tense. Do you remember? Yes, chapter 18. Yes, I know. And chapter 18, simple past tense, we already completed, isn't it? Who is here? Shubhecha. Not only present perfect tense, we also completed simple past tense. Okay. So, and also we did solving the puzzle, that part also done. Okay. So, Arya, do you remember that? So today we would be moving to chapter number 19, past continuous tense. Yes, Shifa, right you are. Yes, chapter 19. So chapter 19, past continuous tense. Today we will start. Get ready. Present continuous tense. Do you remember? Do you remember present continuous tense? What was that? And how to form present continuous tense? Hope you remember. How to form present continuous tense? That means is, am, are plus ing form of verb. Isn't it? Do you remember that? Form of verb. This is for present continuous. For present continuous, is, am or are plus ing form of main verb. And you know, is, am for singular number or plural number? Hi students, mute your microphones. So is, am for singular number and are for plural number. Do you remember? And now today we will do past continuous tense, and past continuous tense is as easy, as simple as present continuous tense. The only difference is this time was or were plus ing form of main verb, right? So was for singular number or plural number? Was for singular number or plural number? Who can tell me? Was for singular number. And were for plural number. And you know, yes, and you know, for you, okay, then for singular and plural both were. In present continuous tense, for singular and plural, only for you, both, in both time we will use are, and for past continuous tense we will use were, right? Okay, so this is very simple. So now we can start our exercise. Only 10 fill in the blanks are here. So number D, fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Number 1, an old woman dashed sweets among the poor when she slipped and fell. So the word is given here. What is this? Abhipsha? There is a typing mistake. Abhipsha? Oh, you are ready with your answer. So the first one was distributing. Number 1 was distributing. Number 2, Lata dashed at herself in the mirror when I entered her room. So yes, Shifa was looking. Not only was, Ankita, right, the full was looking. Number 3, Nirja, the luxury ship, yes, was sailing. Arya. Next, number 4, Nirja was Practicing. Yes, Abhipsha. Number 5, the naughty boys. Boys, plural number. So this time, no. Arya. The naughty boys, plural number. Yes, Abhipsha. Were throwing. Then, number 6, Ankita's parents were decorating. Number 7. Yes, Abhipsha. Again, you are right. Number 7. Samir dashed a letter to his friend in London when the lights went off. Samir was... Abhipsha, again typing mistake. Samir was writing. Number 8. I suddenly noticed that I was walking in the wrong direction. Ankita, do not write only was or were. That is confusing. Okay? So, number 8. I suddenly noticed that I was walking in the wrong direction. Number 9. All trains from Jammu were running. Okay? Abhipsha, again you are going too fast. Okay? Not only too fast, it is too fast. So, number 10. I was buying vegetables in the market. Abhipsha, running. Okay, it is not raining, buying, running. So, number 10, I was buying vegetables in the market when the fire broke out. Okay, so these fill in the blanks are done, isn't it? Again, Abhipsha, Navamita, buying, B-U-Y. So, this is done. Now, do you remember the poem, Sing a Song of People? Do you remember that poem? So, students, this chapter is completed. Now, do you remember Sing a Song of People? Who can tell me? The poem was about what? The poem was about the city life, isn't it? The life of city people. The life of a city and life of city people. Do you remember that? Yes. A busy city people. Yes. Now, do you remember that we need to do the exercise? Do you remember? So, we will move to that. Yes, city life. Yes. Shubhecha. Yes. Anushka Mukherjee. Abhipsha. Okay. So, the first question is, which modes of transport do the people use to move around the city? So, number 1. The modes of transport. The people used to move around the city. The people used to move around the city are buses and taxis. Some people even walk to reach to their destination. Number 2. What are the things that the people carry with them while moving around? While moving around, The people carry hats and umbrella with them. Next, number 3. Where all do you find these very busy people? We find these very busy people in fairs, bus, in airport, railway stations, and shopping malls. Okay, so can I rub number 1? Number 4. Where? Oh no. Number. Oh, hey students. Actually, number 3 and 4 are jumbled here. Where do all you find these very busy peoples? Actually, this is number 4. Where have you seen crowds of people? We have seen crowds of people. We have seen crowds of people. Okay, I'm sorry students. The answers were jumbled up. That's why. So now it is clear. Number 4. This is number 4. We have seen crowds of people in fair, airports, railway stations, okay, and shopping malls. And now number 3. Okay. Number 3. Where all do you find these very busy people? We find these very busy people in cities, right? Okay. I am really sorry to write. What? What is this? In city or town? Okay. Navamita. Yes. I am really sorry to write rub the board. What is this? Navamita, I couldn't understand what you wanted to say. Navamita, can you explain? So, number 5. Ankita, can you see? Navamita, now it is clear. I couldn't understand what you wrote. Can you explain, please? Okay. So, number 5. Why do you think all these people are in a hurry? Ma'am, I said to Abhipsha because she does not write the boardwork. Abhipsha? Okay, right. So students, copy from the board. Okay. So the 5th question, why do you think all these people are in a hurry? People in a city are always very busy. They don't have a single moment okay, they don't have a single moment to waste. They don't have a single moment to waste. They are always running to fulfill their goals. That's why all these people that's why all these people are in a hurry. The board is not visible, Navamita. Disconnect and rejoin. Students, other students can see the board. Other students can see the board. Arya completed. Wow, very good. So, did you notice that today we completed one grammar chapter and also completed exercise of English text, isn't it? So, it's a very good thing, isn't it, students? Okay. Yes, we are. I know you all are so good. And students, one thing I must say that when I am writing the question answers, for example, number 5, this answer is quite big if I compare this answer with the others. This answer is a little bit long answer, isn't it? But I want to say that maybe the words, the sentences are not same as I did in the other sections. Maybe because when I am writing, it is not possible that each time I will write the same words, same sentence. It is not possible. Sometimes the sentences may differ, but it does not mean that if you write this one, you will get the full marks, and if other sections are writing other thing, that means they will not get full marks. It is not like that. I already told you in the previous class also, I mean in class 4 also I already told, I need only the right answer. It does not matter whether you are following my every word, every letter, or you are writing on your own. I mean you are writing, you are following your parents' advice or from any reference book or from anyone. I need only the right answer. That only matters me, right? So don't worry. To got you like ma'am, who always, oh, thank you so much, Abhipsha. Okay, thank you so much. Oh yes, Navamita. So already uploaded. Okay, this class already uploaded. Thank you so much, Nishi, and I really feel blessed because you all are my students, and not only for this year I also taught you in class 4, and I feel so happy when I am with you. I mean the whole class, the 4 far, now they are in 5 far. So students, our today's class is completed, isn't it? We already completed. So bye students. And what about the syllabus? Listen students, at right now I cannot tell the syllabus. Let me check If we are instructed to tell you, then I will tell. Otherwise, you will get it from the school. I mean, the school website. It will be informed to you all. So don't worry about the syllabus. The chapters we are doing, only learn those chapters, right? So students, bye. Bye students. Shubhecha, now I cannot tell. That will be announced later. Yes, I am also, Arya. I am also. Okay. So bye students. Bye bye. Bye bye students.